nature at its peak. We are live in Finima Nature Park. It is unprecedented what I've seen here. The amount of nature we have seen here is unbelievable. You won't even believe it's in River State, but we are here live. We are in the museum that showcases all that has to do with nature. Now you can see over here, you see the whale vertebra. You see all kinds of fossils. These are giant fossils of Giganki, you know. So now we have our tall people here. We have the Harcourt family here, looking and enjoying ourselves while admiring nature at its peak. So it's a good experience for me. It's a good experience for me. It's a good experience for all of us. We want to say thank you to Mr. WhatsApp for bringing us down here. Beach Harcourt. This is what it's all about. Showcasing the tourist attractions in River State. Keep it locking. Keep it hooked up on Beach Harcourt. Thank you.